6:13 this morning, and it's early February, but it's not cold. And there's going to be a lot more rain than we usually see in early February. Not for us, but to the north and east, where it's also pretty spring-like, where basically spring has essentially begun. Because we're getting strong fronts still, but strong fronts that aren't lasting long. And because there's strong fronts and they're running into such warm, humid air, a tremendous rain. Look at the rain that's expected over the next 3 days. Look at this huge swath from Virginia all the way to northeast Texas, particularly in these shades of yellow and orange. There is absolutely going to be flooding. It's looking likely. Which is unusual, again, for early February. If this was March, April, May, wouldn't be surprised. But early February, it's happened before, but it's exceptionally rare, but getting more common now. If only we could split this rain up evenly, it would be nice. But that's not how it's going to work. We're largely going to be missing out. Now, I do think everyone's going to see rain over the next 3 days. But as you can see, not a lot. Most of us are just going to see 1/10 of an inch to 1/4 inch. Now, there's some models giving hope for a few storms Tuesday night. If that happens, which isn't a guarantee, but if it happens, right now the models say the best chance of that is in Starr County, which would be great. If that happens, a few spots could see up to an inch. But I tell you what, most of us probably are not going to see storms, and that's why most of us are probably only going to see about 1/10 of an inch to 1/4 inch. Very few of us are going to see rain today. It's a 10% chance of showers this morning. The afternoon dry. A cloudy start, but slowly but surely skies will become partly cloudy in the afternoon. Most of the day mostly cloudy, most of the day very warm. Highs around 87, and yes, another windy day. Gusts around 35 miles per hour. Not much less windy than yesterday, just a touch. That's why we don't have a wind advisory today, but it's going to be awfully close. And if the winds overachieve a little bit, we might end up seeing a wind advisory get issued, for at least for Cameron and Willacy County, where I do think gusts could briefly reach 40 miles per hour. Mostly cloudy tonight, another warm night. Lows around 71, a 10% chance of showers after midnight. I think the evening hours dry. Still going to be breezy tonight with gusts around 25 miles per hour. All right, now we get to the interesting part of the forecast. Still warm tomorrow and only a 20% chance of rain, but Tuesday night the front arrives. And look at the big change in temperatures. From mid-80s on Tuesday to upper 50s early Wednesday morning. Again, it's probably not going to be until the early morning hours we get to the upper 50s. But then once we get there, I don't think we're going to warm up much. And there's still some uncertainty about how much we're going to warm up on Wednesday. Some models say we only warm up a couple of degrees, and it's going to be in the low 60s. Others say we warm up quite a bit. The coldest air lingers behind, and it'll be in the upper 70s. So we got to take the average, which is upper 60s right now, but definitely much cooler Wednesday than Tuesday. Both Tuesday and Wednesday are going to be breezy. Best chance of rains Tuesday night, a 60% chance, but still a 40% chance of showers, especially Wednesday morning. The last of the rain ends early Wednesday night, and look at Wednesday night. That is going to be a chilly night. So how long will this cool down last? I think Thursday and Friday are going to be spectacular in the low 70s with mostly sunny skies and low humidity. But then for the weekend, we start warming back up, mid 70s on Saturday. And yes, the 80s coming back, low 80s on Sunday on your First 105 AccuWeather forecast. Guys, back to you.